happy 10th Eve. So as always, I will start by explaining the exam pattern first. Time allowed is 3 hours and maximum marks is 70. The question paper will be divided into 3 sections, section A, B and C. Section A, reading, section B, writing and grammar, and section C, literature. Section A, out of 70, having 20 marks, is divided into 2 questions. Question number 1 will be of 8 marks and question number 2 will be of 12 marks. Section B will be having question number 3 to 7 and section C will be having question number 8 to 11. Coming on to the preparation tips, I have lots of preparation tips for you. Number 1. Create notes for the writing portion by indicating the format and writing about the style of language to be used. Secondly, keep a small list with you and add words you read that you do not understand. Then look up to the meaning the very same day to help remember you the usage. Try reading aloud. This will help you understand the flow of words and sentences. Improve reading comprehension by reading an unknown passage and summarizing it point-wise. Try to do this in as less time as possible. Practice a different writing composition every day and make sure to stay within the word limits and time limit. This will help you prepare for writing within the specified word limits. Revise basic grammar focusing on usage. Grammar questions come in the form of sentence completion, reordering, editing, omission, etc. So practicing those questions will help you. Long reading text questions are usually in depth, so make sure you know the text thoroughly. Generally, questions on theme or plot come from long reading texts. Practice character sketches from long reading text, one will definitely come. As the exam approaches, focus on going through the writing notes and read as much as you can. Read the literature in your course and examples of the topics or formats that will be asked in the writing section. English cannot be studied in a day. Practicing it through writing, reading, speaking and listening is the best way to gain mastery over the language. Aim to enjoy and your aim to scoring will come true automatically. Some last day's preparation tips. CBSE Class 10th English exam is all about assessing the interpretation and writing skills of a student. So if you can frame a grammatically correct sentence, extract information from the passages and quickly write anything to a general topic, then scoring above 90% is easy for you. Analyze previous year question papers. You'll get free question papers on UglySem Schools. Just go and type UglySem Schools and you can get all the free sample papers and previous year question papers so you can practice. Revise your literature and grammar book and solve sample papers and previous year papers as I've already mentioned you. You must also keep a brief summary of all the chapters of your English textbooks in your mind. If you have memorized a brief summary of all the chapters, especially the poems of your textbooks, then it will be an added benefit to your final preparation. CBSE Class 10th board exam is all about practice. Without solving a complete paper, you will not get a proper idea of time management in exam. And you can get the sample papers as I have mentioned on UglySem School. Practice as many papers as you can before the exam. It will help you a lot, guys. While answering the question, it is very important that you must not exceed the word limit of the answer. An answer is considered as excellent only if it is up to the point and within the given word limit. Now, what are the tips you should keep in mind while attempting the question paper? Ensure that the format of various writing tasks is followed strictly. Guys, you can check the link given in the description box. All the formats of the writing tasks are mentioned there. Write neatly and do not overwrite. Do adhere to the word limit specified. Do not write any fancy new word without being sure of its meaning. It is not going to fetch marks for you guys. Instead, it can lead to deduction in marks because you may use a wrong word in the wrong sentence without knowing its meaning. Now, according to the sections, let's come to section A first. Section A is reading section. The candidates should read the comprehension and passages at least twice or thrice. Go through it to complete understanding of the entire write-up of the passage. Trick 1. The questions framed in the reading section are always in sequence. That is, the answer to question number 1 will always be in the sentence before the answer to question number 2. Section B is the writing and grammar section. The candidates should use flowery language to express their views in the section. By using flowery language does not mean using the words which are too complicated or which you do not know the meaning of. The vocabulary, phrases, quotes by famous authors should also be kept in mind while attempting this section. Section C, literature. The candidates should go through the chapters thoroughly. Long answer will require in-depth knowledge of the topic. Understanding the concepts is important rather than mugging up the dictated answers. Lucid and coherent answers should be provided. Guys, for the correct formats for writing section and also the points to remember, click on the link given in the description box. And if you do like our video, then give us a thumbs up. And if you want to know anything about the exams and if you have any query, then comment below and please subscribe to our channel. All the best, guys.
Learn more and better with uglasem.com.